What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your iPhone in case you're thinking about selling your old iPhone. You're trying to give it to somebody else, a family member or whatnot. I'm going to show you how to delete all your information, so that the next person that gets the iPhone or that doesn't have any issues with it. Because if you don't follow this process, and you just reset your iPhone, we're gonna have problems. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go into settings, click right where you see your profile and your name, and scroll down a little bit, and in this area you're gonna find all the devices that are connected to your iCloud account. Just bring that closer. The focus is a little off. Come on, focus. There we go. Right there. So this is my iPhone X. That's the one I'm trying to reset. So the first thing you want to do is click on that device that you're trying to reset, and make sure you have Find My iPhone turned off, and also make sure you back up your everything to your iCloud or to your iTunes or whatever it is that you use to back up your iPhone, your Apple devices. Make sure you do that. Back that stuff up, and then you go back. Okay, once you done that, make sure you come down to where it says sign out, because you got to make sure you sign out of your iCloud. Otherwise, the next person that gets the iPhone won't be able to sign in, because the iPhone is still connected to your iCloud because you didn't sign out. So make sure you do that. Sign out of whatever accounts, whatever it is that needs to be signed out of. And I'm going to do that because I'm trying to get rid of this iPhone. I'm trying to sell it to somebody else. So I'm going to sign out and make sure whatever it is that you need to keep a copy of, one of these things, data on this phone. Since we're trying to sell the phone, we're not trying to keep anything. So I'm not going to turn any of these on. I'm just going to go and hit sign out again, removing iCloud data. Just wait for a few seconds or minutes, maybe however long this is going to take. All right, as you can see, my profile is no longer, the autofocus on this it's no longer there. Right there. Okay, and next thing you want to do is go into general and scroll down to where it says reset, and what you want to do is, since you're in this case, if you're selling the phone, you're gonna go to the second option where it says erase all content and settings, and then put in your password. After putting in your password, you hit erase iPhone and erase iPhone again, and it's going to erase everything. All right, it's going to take maybe a few minutes, a few seconds, depending on the size of your storage or how much you have on the iPhone. So let's see, this looks like it's going pretty fast. All right, guys, I'll be back once this is done. Okay, guys, as you can see, the iPhone is completely reset, as if it was completely brand new. Everything has been completely reset and done and ready for the next user of the iPhone. All right, guys, so that's basically it. This is how you do it. This is how you factory reset your iPhone. This is just one way. There's another. You can also do it through iTunes. but this is the way I show you guys how to do it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.